Before I came to Japan, I promised myself to visit and experience a more natural, authentic, and hidden Japan. I wasn't as interested in the touristic hotspots, so an invitation for a mountain hike was right up my alley. And so, in late March, we decided to escape the big city and climb up Mount Atago. Mount Atago, or Atago-san, is located northwest of Kyoto City and is the highest mountain in the Kyoto area, standing at 924 meters. The hike is accessible from Arashiyama by a bus running once an hour and bound for Kiyotaki. The only way up the mountain is by hiking, which at its entirety took us around 6 hours and consisted mainly of stairs. So many stairs. The path was well marked, and signs throughout the way let you know how far you still have to climb. There are 4 big stops with some shade for a nice snacking break. And at the top of the mountain, we visited Atago Shrine, a nice and quiet place where we took some time to regain our strength and made our way back down. The nature around us was beautiful as we hiked, and although damn tiring, managing to climb it all the way up would give anyone the greatest sense of success.
We've almost made it. We have the final stretch now over there. I hope you see it. And we somehow made it all the way up here.
I would definitely recommend to anyone who's up for the challenge, but beware, if you're out of shape, it will be a torture. Next to Atago-san flows a beautiful river by the name of Kiyotaki, which I had the chance to hike and film as well, so I hope you will look forward to that as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.